Yes. Hello YouTube. Today we are. Let's start again. Hello YouTube. This is Arlene and Jay, USA, and we are going to cook our fourth meal from every plate. We have a video before this where we showed you the box that we get, and I must tell you that we are very impressed with these meals. I mean, these are restaurant quality meals. They are not like your YouTube recipes. They have a lot of ingredients and there's a lot of cooking involved. Also, what I like is that they cook fast. Like most of the meals are 35 minutes, so the nutrients are still retained in the food. You're eating good food. You don't have to cook it for hours. And also, I like the price. For that price, it's less than a fast food price. You're eating restaurant quality meals, fine dining. Even in restaurants, you cannot find food like that. Most restaurants just sell deep fried food, steak, just the regular stuff. But I would not pay more than what the price because I know other meal services are charging like $10 and up. If you're going to pay $10 or $15 per meal, might as well just go to the restaurant and eat it. Okay, so like I said, today we are cooking the sweet ponzu beef bowl and we decided to use cook this one because it has a lot of fresh ingredients and we want to use the fresh ingredients before they rot. We also did some advanced prep and chop the carrot in advance because otherwise it's very busy. There is no time to breathe. And these are the ingredients. It has ground beef, white rice, garlic, carrot, Persian cucumber, wasabi paste.
Mayonnaise, ponzu sauce, lime, yellow onion, and scallions.
So we have all of that. They sent us everything. The only things that we are using from our own pantry is salt,
butter,
sugar, and oil. All right, let's go start cooking. So the first step is to cook the rice, rinse and cook the rice. So let's do that first. Just a pinch of salt. All right. So the rice is set for cooking, and what I love about this rice cooker is we don't have to check it, we don't have to worry anything, it will just cook.
Just leave it there.
Alright, next step is while rice cooks, wash and dry all produce. So I'm going to wash and dry all produce and then we're going to come back. So we don't have a lemon zester, the fancy lemon zester, so this is the trick that Arlene came up with.
We did it also with carrots.
Yeah, we didn't have a carrot grater, so we use this. But I guess this is made for carrots. That's why the color is like a carrot. Wash and dry will produce thin and half cucumber lengthwise. Trim and half cucumber. So I guess we have to trim the cucumber. Let me trim the cucumber. I'm just going to use this. I don't want all the green to come out. Just a little bit.
Are you trying to peel the carrots, the cucumber?
Yeah. I don't think it's necessary because we eat the cucumber. Just a little bit. It should be.
Taste different with the skin.
There's one trick to remove the bitterness.
Oh, really? It's not the skin that is...
I don't know. They always do that. No, the skin is not bitter. Alright, so they said slice this lengthwise and then half moons. Thinly slice half moons. Thinly slice crosswise into half moons. Huh.
Yeah, that's crosswise.
Is that thin enough?
It's super thin.
Well, why would they say thin? Normally they say 1/3 of an inch or half an inch. They said, remember the last time it was 1/3 of an inch. Peel and finely chop garlic. Peeled already. I'm just going to remove these nasty ends. If you want to taste your food to taste good, a lot of people, they will just leave this in the food, the end. But if you want the food to taste good, you have to do some extra work and make sure you remove all those nasty parts. I mean, they're edible. I'm not going to say they're not edible, that you have to remove them. They're not going to poison you, but they're not adding to the taste.
And it's hard.
They're woody. Yeah. Half peel and dice onion. So this is not a recipe video. We're just showing you how much work is involved, what all we need to do.
Following the recipes.
I mean, if you want to try to make it at home, go for it. I know you need this ponzu sauce and you will need some mayo and wasabi. I don't know where you're going to get it.
No, remember our yellow onion is still packed?
But I'm saying maybe, just maybe, We'll give them the benefit of doubt because we didn't check. Might be too much onion. So half peel diced onion, trim and thinly slice scallions. Trim and scallions and separate whites from grains. So I'm gonna say the white is here and the green is here. Thinly slice. Is it both the scallions? Are you sure?
Yeah.
Tomorrow's recipe doesn't have scallions?
No, I checked it already.
So they are both the same. I'm starting to cry because I did not rinse the onion. If you have problems having teary eyes when you chop the onions, the yellow onions, then the trick is that you have to cut it in half and then rinse it once, and that's it. You will never have one drop of tear in your eye, I guarantee you.
It's a good tip.
They even sell glasses on Amazon.
Really?
Yeah.
Just for onions.
But why? All you need to do is rinse it once. That's it. Done. I guess this is still white over here.
Rice is
See, this is why we needed to cook this today.
Are you crying?
Yes, you're making me work. You're making me do all the work.
Is it me or the onions? That's the reason.
Okay. Trim, peel, and grate carrots. We did that already because now we are getting smart. We know what takes long time. Some things have to be prepared in advance. In a medium bowl, combine cucumber juice from half the lime. Combine cucumber juice.
Cucumber.
In a medium bowl, combine cucumber juice from half the lime and quarter teaspoon sugar. So
Cucumber, don't forget.
Lime juice, half lime,
Cucumber, quarter teaspoon of sugar. Oh, that's 1 teaspoon.
Okay, so that's a quarter teaspoon.
Then
A pinch of salt. Oops, see, that's why I always
use your palm.
use my palm because I know I will put too much.
Then
Set aside quick pickle, stirring occasionally until ready to serve.
this one?
Yeah. You just have to mix it occasionally. I guess I could have used a smaller bowl. Okay.
Next,
In a small bowl, combine mayonnaise, a pinch of garlic, a squeeze of lime juice. Small bowl.
mayonnaise,
Mayonnaise. Pinch of garlic. Is that a pinch of garlic? Squeeze of lime juice and as much wasabi as you like. Squeeze of lime juice and all the wasabi.
how does it taste?
You know the green stuff they have in the Chinese restaurant with sushi?
The one that I don't like.
Yeah, but remember you said the same thing for the sauce, and then that was the best part. I'm just gonna put half.
That wasabi is, the real taste is avocado.
Lime juice as much wasabi as you like. Start with a little, then taste. Season with salt and pepper.
Okay.
Season with salt.
Pepper.
You have the pepper?
No.
Once rice has cooked, 15 minutes, heat a drizzle of oil in a large pan over medium height, add onions and scallion whites. Rice has cooked.
Yeah.
Okay. So medium high heat, cook the onions.
Can you turn on the light?
Like this on?
No, in the? Is it on?
So 4 to 5 minutes till 11:55. So they said to put the scallion whites, but I'm not going to put them right away. I'm going to put them after 2 or 3 minutes because they are more delicate. What does it say after that? Add beef and remaining garlic and 2 teaspoons of sugar. Okay, so that means we don't have to drain the beef.
Just put it directly on the pan.
Okay, that's good. Now I'm going to, it's been 2 minutes, I'm going to add the scallion whites. I think the recipe, just to keep it easy, they tell you to add the scallion whites with onions at the same time, but I put it a little later just to cook for 3 more minutes.
That's how complicated it is when you are following the recipe of EveryPlate.
I mean, yeah,
You have to follow into too.
and you have to really be sure that you follow the recipe
Yeah.
because you have to read every word.
Or L.
But the rewards are great.
Food is so good.
Also, there is a little bit of a learning curve because the first time it was more complicated. Now we're getting used to it, so we know what to expect. I think it's time to add the beef now.
I can smell the onions now.
It's been 4 minutes exactly. It's scared I'm gonna make a mess. I'm gonna wait for.
This is a good lighting. It's the right position of the camera.
That's it. 4 to 5 minutes. Okay. Then we have to break it down. Another 5 minutes. There was no juice in this one.
I guess it will have juice later. Yesterday, the other one at first didn't have juice, but as it cooked,
I think they put some extra juices in the other one to keep it juicy. This one doesn't need to be juicy. Also, the quality of the meat in these EveryPlate is just excellent. The beef, the chicken, everything is like I have never seen before. And the taste, you can tell also from the taste because it tastes good. So, I think the meat is even better than restaurant meat, to be honest.
you're on camera, smile.
EveryPlate, yay! Let's see what happens. Add beef, remaining garlic and 2 tablespoons sugar. See, you have to be on top of it. Remaining garlic.
Nothing to worry about, we're prepared. We have everything.
Yeah, but this should have been cooking, the garlic should have been cooking for 5 minutes, 2 minutes already. They're telling you that we have to pay attention and we're not paying attention ourselves. 2 tablespoons or 2 teaspoons of sugar.
I'm gonna toss the cucumber. It says once in a while. Tablespoon or teaspoon?
Doesn't matter, it's not a recipe. Cook baking of meat until beef is brown and cook through 4 to 5 minutes. Stir in ponzu.
What's ponzu?
Ponzu sauce.
I get confused because ponzu in Philippines is rice.
Really?
Yeah, we have a variety of rice and they call it ponzu. It's a good rice, though.
I can smell the garlic, which I put the garlic first.
I can smell it too.
Alright, that's 5 minutes. And then it says stir in the ponzu, turn off heat, taste and season with salt and pepper.
How many ponzu?
I guess all of it. Did it say over here how much ponzu? Ponzu sauce 4.
Okay.
They gave us exactly 4. Ponzu sauce 2. Ponzu sauce 3. Ponzu sauce 4. Evenly distributed in all directions. Then we're gonna stir it and turn off the heat. It smells like just soy sauce. Probably just a fancy soy sauce. Taste and season with salt and pepper. Oh, I hate to taste it.
Your favorite part?
Because I want to be surprised. Honestly, it doesn't feel like it needs any salt, but I'm just gonna add a little bit. Just to be sure. Especially we didn't put any salt in the
Meat.
rice.
Oh, you did?
Oh yeah, I put a chicken.
What is that?
Black pepper. Next! Fluff rice with a fork and stir in lime zest and 1 tablespoon of butter. Oh yeah!
Rice with butter.
On the zest.
Wow, it's new to me.
Me too.
It's new.
1 tablespoon of butter. See, that's what makes it restaurant quality.
So I guess when we cook rice again, we can do this.
Yeah, but the last time they didn't tell us to put it.
Be
This
more
depends
tasty.
on what you're eating, I guess. Season with salt.
The rice?
I'm not gonna use a fork again this time.
Last time you used fork and it scratches the
I don't think it scratched it,
kettle.
but I don't want to try. I don't want to scratch it.
Wow. So that's the trick. Now it's oily and
Zesty.
and smells good.
Alright. Next is plating.
Can you put this away? You need this, you need this, you need this. So I'm gonna...
Ready? Rice.
I can't wait!
Look how much butter that is.
Yeah. And then...
Next is fluff rice, stir in lime, 1 tablespoon, season with salt, divide between bowls, arrange beef, grated carrots and pickled cucumbers. Draining first. Okay. So we're gonna add the beef. Gonna add the cucumber or the carrots. Are you sure they said to use all the carrot? That's a lot of carrot.
Are we not cooking the carrot yet?
3 ounce. There's no carrot in the other one.
I
Next
checked it a
recipe.
while ago, there's none.
I think this is enough. So the cucumber is actually just a pickle. It's not a side. You know what I mean? Should have used a smaller bowl for the cucumber. I thought we were going to have to mix everything. Okay, top with scallion greens and squeeze of lime juice. So we're going to top it with scallion greens and a squeeze of lime juice. We like a lot of lime juice. And then we're going to drizzle with the wasabi mayo. I don't know how do you drizzle this. Did we miss a spot? Did we miss anything where they said to put water in it?
Looks too dry.
Delicious. It's not strong to me.
What about me?
Alright, let's see. Are you ready for the reveal?
Sweet Ponzu beef
Does
balls.
it look like this? I cannot wait to eat this.
Oh, let's go eat. Let's go eat. Let's go eat. The taste test.
Make sure you mix some of the wasabi in it. And try the pickle first.
We're going to mix everything. Scallion, the meat, the rice, the wasabi, carrots.
Good.
Good.
I like the wasabi.
I can taste the wasabi, but it's okay for me. Super.
Delicious. We love it. If you also loved our video, please subscribe and give us a thumbs up, like our video. We will really appreciate it. Also, we love to hear your comments.
Yeah.
Thank you for watching our video.
I can taste the wasabi. I like it. It's just enough.
Different taste.
Yeah.
The beef is very high.
Different taste from the rest of the foods. The beef food.
Totally new
New taste.